Good morning everyone. This is the B part of video 6. Here we will discuss about the surface area of cuboids. This is grade 7 chapter number 18 and today's date is 18 April 2020 and you will find this topic in the course book page 177. Now let's start and try to find surface area. Surface area of a cube or cuboid is the total area of all its faces. The units of measurement are square units. For example, square centimeter, square millimeter, and square meter. To understand this thing, just see this cuboid. This cuboid has blue area, green area and the red area. Length is given in this way and the opposite side that is hidden is also the blue area. So two sides will equal to blue area. Two sides will equal to green area width and two sides will equal to this red area. So in this way, these all sides when we add, then it will give the surface area of this cuboid. So to understand this thing, here is a formula given. 2 into length into width plus 2 into length into height plus 2 into width into height. First of all, you will multiply length into width, then length into height, after that width into height. So in this way you can get your answer in the one direction, in one side. When you multiply each side with 2, so it means two sides of length and two sides of width, two sides of length into two sides of height, plus two sides of width into two sides of height. When you add these all sides, you can get the whole surface area of this cuboid. So let's start and try to solve our exercise, that is exercise 18.5. Question number 1. In this picture, a cuboid is given where length is 9 cm, width is 6 cm and height is given, that is 4 cm. So according to formula, first of all just multiply this length into width. 9 into 6 is equal to 54 centimeter. After that, length into height. 9 centimeter into 4, it will be equal to 36 centimeter. Now remaining width into height. 6 multiplied by 4, it will be equal to 24. After that, all these values will be multiplied by 2. 2 into length into width, that is equal to 54, plus 2 into length into height, that is 36 centimeter, plus 2 into width into height, that is 24 centimeter. After multiplication, you can get 108 plus 72 plus 48, it will be equal to 228 centimeter square. We can get the answer in square centimeter. This will give the whole surface area of this cube. Same like that, B part is 4 into 5, that is 20. 4 multiplied by 2 is equal to 8. 5 multiplied by 2 is equal to 10. Then 2 multiplied by length into width, that is equal to 20, plus 2 multiplied by 8, that is length into height. After that, plus 2 into width into height, that is 10 centimeter. When you multiply it and adding all these values, you can get your answer is equal to 76 square centimeter. Now let's move to question number 2. Work out the surface area of each of these cuboids. We have to find the surface area. Length is given 6 meter and width is given 5 meter and height is given 4 meter. So first of all, length multiplied by width, that is equal to 30 meter. After that, length multiplied by width, height 6 multiplied by 4, it equal to 24 meter. Width into height 5 multiplied by 4, it will be equal to 20 meter. When you get your answers, then multiply each side with 2. 2 into 30 plus 2 into 24 plus 2 into 20. It will be equal to 148 meter square. Same like that, length is 20 millimeter, width is 5 millimeter and height is 12 millimeter is given. So length multiplied by width, that is 20 into 5 is equal to 100 millimeter. Length is 20 millimeter and height is 12 millimeter. So when you multiply it, it will be equal to 240. Now width is 5 millimeter and height is 12 millimeter. When you multiply these width into height, you can get your answer 60 millimeter. All these values will be multiplied with 2 to get your answer in whole surface area. 2 into 100 plus 2 into 240 plus 2 into 60. It will be equal to 800 square millimeter. So it is the whole surface area of this cuboid. Question number 3 is same like that. Work out the surface area of this cuboid and show how to use estimation to check your answer in part A. So first of all, part A is length is 5.8, width is 2.2 and height is 1.9 meter. So length is multiplied with width, 5.8 multiplied by 2.2, that is equal to 12.76 meter. Then length 5.8 is multiplied with height, that is 1.9 meter. It will be equal to 11.02. After that, width, that is 2.2 millimeter, is multiplied with height, that is 1.9. So it will give your answer 4.18. After that, each side will multiplied with 2. 2 into 12.76 plus 2 into 11.02 plus 2 into width into height, that is 4.18. After that, you can get 25.52 plus 22.04 plus 8.36 is equal to, when you get add all these values, you can get 55.92 square meter. And what is the B part? Show how to use estimation to check your answer to part A. Estimation. As you can see here, length, width and height are given in points. So you just estimate these values and find the value of your length, width and height. So if we estimate this 5.8, it will be equal to 6. If we estimate these to the total values, 5.8 it will be become 6, and this 2.2 it will become the 2 meter, and 1.9 it will become the 2 meter. Same like that. So just multiply this 6, this 2 with height, and height is also 2 meter. So length into width, 6 is length and width is 2. So 6 into 2 multiply by 12 and 12 into 2. Same this like this formula, plus 2 formula, and weight length into height. Length is 6 and height is 2. So 6 into 2 multiply by 2. 2 is for formula, plus 2 is for formula, and width is 2 meter and height is 2 meter. So multiply by 2 into 2 and 2 formula, form the formula, and then all these values will add. After that, you can get your answer 56 square meter. So in this way, by using this formula, 2 into length into width plus 2 into length into height plus 2 into width into height, by solving this, you can get the whole surface area of any cuboid. Is it clear now? Now this is the end of our lecture. Thank you.